Hello, this is a brief how-to on joining a webinar using Teams. You'll get an email about the webinar with a link to the team webinar. When you click on that link, you will go to a page that looks like that. Click Open Link. And you'll be taken to this screen. On this screen, before you join the webinar using the Join Now button, you have some options. From left to right, you can turn your camera off or on. You can blur your background in case you don't want anyone to see your cobwebs. You can turn your microphone on and off, and you can adjust your audio settings. At the very bottom of the screen, you can use this button to use your telephone for audio instead of your computer. And your microphone should be off during the webinar unless you are talking. When you click on the button to adjust your audio settings, a box will open up to the right of your screen. You'll be able to see what speakers you are using and change those. Be able to see what microphone you are using and change that if you need to. You can also make a test call to make sure that your audio is working correctly and that your microphone is working correctly. And you can also choose what camera you're using if you happen to have more than one. It's best to use a headset and microphone for any webinars that you attend. It's also a good idea to click on the webinar link at least 15 minutes before the webinar begins, so you can come to this screen and check to make sure that your audio is working and fix any problems in case it's not. Once you join the webinar by clicking on the Join Now button, the screen will change a bit and another toolbar will appear when you run your cursor over the screen. Using this toolbar and moving from left to right, you have some options. Again, you can turn your camera on or off. You can turn your microphone on or off. You can share your screen, choose more options, participate in a chat, see who else is participating in the meeting, or hang up. To participate in a chat, which is how you can talk to the other participants without using your microphone, can click on the speech bubble. This box will open up, and down here you can type in a new message and either click the Enter key on your keyboard or click Send. And once you do that, everyone will be able to see what you have to say. And you can close this by clicking the X here at the top. And when you're ready to leave the meeting, simply click on the red square with the telephone inside, and you will leave the meeting. Thank you.